Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another i96 on this really brand new Ford Fiesta. How the system works: every time you jump in the vehicle, turn on the ignition, go for a push sequence, get a melody and start your vehicle. If you don't do that, obviously the vehicle won't start. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to show you as it's not starting. So try and start it. You see, vehicle won't start. Vehicle won't start. So every time you jump in, insert your push sequence. On here we've done something very simple. Receive a melody, there you go, and start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. If you want to change the code, this is also simple. How you do that is turn on the ignition, receive your disarm, and then hit one of these buttons 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ignition off. Ignition on. Get 5 bleeps. And now choose your code. So we're going to do something simple. So we're going to go up, up, down, down. Wait till we get a melody. Then repeat the same code again. If the second code is the same as the first, you'll get the same melody. And now it's learnt. So if we try the old procedure, you'll see, we just wait for it. It takes about 10 seconds to set. So ignition on. Hold on, we haven't left it long enough. So if we use the old code, there you go, no melody. So ignition off, ignition on, insert the new code. There you go. Put your foot on the clutch and start it. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, you can pair up your phone as a Bluetooth tag, which you can see in our other videos. But this is just the simplest way of how to use it. Hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478. Thank you very much. Bye bye.